In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to watch issues or work items in Jira. To get started, open Jira and head to the Projects section. From there, open the project you want to work in. And then select the specific issue or work item you want to follow. This is useful when you want to stay informed about changes without having to manually check the item over and over again. When you watch an issue or work item in Jira, you will receive notifications whenever that item is updated, commented on, or moved through a workflow transition. In other words, it's a simple way to keep tabs on important work that matters to you. Once you have the issue open, look over to the right-hand Details panel. There, you should find the eye icon. This is the watch control. Click the eye icon to start watching the issue. After you do that, Jira will begin notifying you about activity on that item. A helpful visual confirmation is the number shown on the eye icon. When you are watching an issue, that icon will display a watcher count. So you can quickly see that watching is active and also whether other people are watching it too. If at any point you no longer want updates for that issue, go back to the same eye icon and click the option to stop watching. That will remove the issue from your watch list and stop future notifications for that item. This is especially helpful for reducing inbox clutter once a task is no longer relevant to you. Here is also a quicker method if you prefer keyboard shortcuts while viewing an issue. Simply press W on your keyboard to toggle watching on or off. This can save time if you work in Jira often and want a faster way to manage notifications. Now, if you want to view all the issues or work items you are currently watching, Jira lets you do that through advanced search. Go to Filters in the top navigation bar. Then choose to view all issues or all work items. After that, switch to JQL using the toggle in the upper right corner. In the search bar, type watcher equals current user with parentheses. Then press Enter. Jira will display a list of all the items you are watching across every project you have access to. This makes it much easier to review your watch list in one place and stay organized. And that's it. Thanks for watching.